Welcome! This video will show you how to find your invoices at Hosting Co. UK. Invoices are created when a payment is taken for the service or services you have purchased. This can be either monthly or yearly, depending on the renew option selected. So to find your invoices, first navigate to your client area. Enter your email address and password to sign into your account. Now you will be directed to the client dashboard. Here there are 4 options within the boxes. Select the 4th box called Invoices. From here you can view all invoices since the creation of your account. There's also some information given, such as the invoice number, the date of their creation, the due date to see when you have to pay your invoice at the latest, the total amount of the invoices, and the status to see if it's paid, unpaid, or cancelled. On the left you have an overview of all statuses of your invoices. Under Billing you can access other options like My Quotes, Manage or Add a credit card, and Add funds. Now to pay your invoice, select one and click on Unpaid. You'll see your invoice with all details and information. Under Payment Method, you can change the way you want to pay. The invoice will adapt to every payment method that you choose. I'll choose Bank Transfer. Now you can see all important information for your payment. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.